Today we are going to discuss the cybersecurity news India and the world January-March 2020. Actually, it is a report and a newsletter published by National Critical Information Infrastructure Protection Center, a unit of NTRO. News snippets National. Cybersecurity users in Tier 2 cities an easy target for cyber criminals. Like Tier 2 regions have more cybersecurity threats when compared to Tier 1 cities, that is, more advanced metropolitan cities with the most advanced cybersecurity offices. Like examples of Tier 2 cities like Jaipur, Lucknow, Guwahati, Bhubaneswar have witnessed a cybersecurity attack of 40%, 44%, 45% respectively. Among the metro cities, the cyber attacks have been increased in Delhi by 6% in the second quarter, and Hyderabad experienced 41% of cyber attacks from 39% recorded in the last quarter. Union Minister inaugurated a portal to tackle cyber crimes. Home Minister inaugurated National Cybercrime Reporting Portal and Indian Crime Coordination Center. Uh, the Indian Crime Coordination Center has 7 components, and the Cybercrime Reporting Portal enables online filing of online crimes, cyber crimes accessed by law enforcement agencies in the state. It is a coordination between the law enforcement agencies like police, state police, police stations, and also the cybersecurity police offices with the portal cybercrime.gov.in portal. The focus on crime related to finance, social media like cyberbullying, stalking, crimes against women, children, particularly child sex abuse material, online content pertaining to rapes, etc. The portal will improve coordination among the few law enforcement agencies of different states. Reduction in hacking incidents of government websites. There has been a tremendous increase in the nearly 3.94 lakh cybersecurity incidents were reported in 2019 as per the information given by the uh, Indian Computer Emergency Response Team CERT in as a body under the Ministry of Electronics and ICT. The government has taken a slew of measures to enhance the cybersecurity safeguards and prevent the cybersecurity attacks like audit of government websites and applications, formulation of crisis management and cyber attacks, and launch of botnet cleaning malware analysis center. The Indian government was able to reduce the number of websites being hacked. The increasing cybersecurity attacks targeting in Indian enterprises. It was observed that the Surfquite company has released a report regarding the 23% of cybersecurity threats were identified by without signatureless and behavior-based detection. That is, people may not be able to know that whether their systems or enterprises have been attacked by cybersecurity systems or not. It was in silent and signatureless behavior-based detection systems. And Indian enterprises flooded with 14.6 crore malware threats in 2019, 48% increase in compared to 2018. According to report, large-scale APT attacks were deployed against the organizations in government sector. The most at-risk industries in the country were healthcare, education, government websites, and BFSI and manufacturing industries. They used mostly phishing attacks. Cybersecurity for national power grid. In the recent conversation with the Ministry of Power, Ministry of State Independent Charge, State Ministry of State Charge Power in the Rajya Sabha regarding the question regarding the what are the steps taken to protect the cybersecurity for the national power grid transmission. In order to secure the transmission within the power grid, communication between the substations and control centers is done over a dedicated network owned by Power Grid. This network is not connected to any external network. PowerGrid is ratified with ISO Convention Information Security Management Systems. A sectoral CERT transmission has been formed by Ministry of Power and is housed by PowerGrid. This works in coordination with Computer Emergency Report Team, India Ministry of External Home Affairs, Critical Information NCIIPC, and Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. It has laid down detailed procedures for regular cyber audits, and alerts and advisory programs. News and international related news. New Orleans declares emergency following cyber attacks. Okay, 5 a.m. on CSC, December 13th. After the information of cybersecurity incident, CTS department has ordered all the cybersecurity portals and cities IT departments to employees to disconnect or unplug their devices. The airline forces to cancel the flights in Alaska after the cyber attacks. This is Ryanair Alaska to restore the systems, and FBI and security authorities must have worked together to improve the standards. Microsoft acted against the National State Cybercrime Group. There has been a continuous emergence in the Microsoft been tracking the cybersecurity alerts, and there is a fourth nation state activity group against which the Microsoft has filed a legal action to bring down the malicious domain infrastructure. There has been a continuous performance of a cyber threat from a company called Thallium in the U.S. District Court. Ransomware attack on US Philippine operator. This is one more thing to be remembered. and the most important thing is the hackers were able to encrypt the data from the organization's IT and operational technology networks. The hackers knocked offline human-machine interface. Here, the attackers used a dashboard that connects operators to industrial equipment. Japan confirms defense data breach over cybersecurity on Mitsubishi. We know that Mitsubishi is the electric company and the company in the Japan's indigenous company. Mitsubishi Electric Corporation of Defense related sensitive data may have been breached about cyber attack. Mitsubishi discovered that cyber attack in 2019 but did not disclose more than 6 months. Australia foreign ministers gets hit by serious cyber attack. The attack was recognized very quickly and countermeasures were taken immediately. What are the trends being taken? Microsoft Office 365 ATP now helps analyzing the phishing attacks. There has been recently news that Office 365 helps in advancing or cyber attacks threats or lack of licensing related threats issues, and also the malware related issues will be tracked by the Microsoft Office 365 ATP. Dubai sets a special platform to combat cyber threats. It is one more in news that Dubai Financial Services Authority has been recently attacked by the cyber threats, and the government has taken steps to set up a special platform to combat cyber threats. It includes involvement from international cybersecurity experts like AG, Kaspersky, Palo Alto Networks, Conference and Record Futures. With the interlink of private and government, they have established a combat security threats program. Fileless malware. Fileless malware leaves no footprint since it is not a file-based attacker. The system, what it does is there are three types of variants in this fileless malware system: script-based techniques, that is Samsung ransomware; memory code injection; Windows registry manipulation. The threat is being attacked by a system or an industry is not recognized even by the industry and also by the firm, and also by the computer operator. It is a backdoor resource directory that can open the source trading applications and leverage the post-install script that trigger the backdoor attacks. It has been very seriously issued by the Semantic Report Internet Security Threat Report. Google Chrome to block mixed content downloads. Like we have been seeing that from a Google, if you download any malware or any random application, it does not include any fixed designation of what type of file you are going to download. Those are blocked by Google Chrome now onwards, because those are high scope of malware and malware threats, and there is a high scope of information leakage by the companies. These insecure downloaded programs can be swapped out of the malware by attackers to perform attack on victims' machines. UK announces new security rules for IoT devices. IoT has been recently news that it is a connection between the mobile and the internet security purposes. But there is a breach of information regarding the IoT connection to the mobiles and also to the offline systems. This new law is designed to protect the consumers from business attacks and cyber attacks. Uh, how AI is improving cybersecurity. We all know that AI is going to improve the cybersecurity with the help of the data, that is going to analyze the much more data and identifies anomalies with more accuracy and speed, because AI needs data, and also the techniques for detecting are many algorithms required, and this high speed accuracy in detecting the data can be possible with the help of the AI. Malware bytes. Shopper malware affects over 14% smartphones in India. Like we know that many smartphones are external links have been deployed in the mobile phones, and on clicking the external links, there is a unknown suspicious action detected in the mobile phones, and many apps, configuration APK apps have been downloaded and asking permissions from many mobile phones. This malware has been distributed to the fraudulent ads and third-party app stores. It is difficult to detect this malware as it disguises itself as a system like labeled configure APKs, because hackers using live coronavirus maps to spread malware. We know that the COVID-19 has been deployed in all over the world, and people are starting to know what are the facts and stats about the world. And doing so, the researchers warned of rising phishing scams in which the hackers pose a threat health authorities offering information about COVID-19. When the people enter this website and see about this, there is a misleading emails, and there is misleading emails and also information storage threats and login credentials, banking info, etc. has been hacked by the researchers, has been hacked by the hackers without knowing. And health authorities, also health information has also been hacked with the help of this data. ECANS or snake ransomware. It is one of the new type of ransomware that in which actually destroy the software that is used to monitor the ICS including pipelines, and which means that monitoring and control system of ICS equipment could be interrupted or become more impossible, leading to potentially dangerous and devastating consequences. That is, If an ECANS or snake ransomware attacks an industry or a computer organization, it completely destroys all the computer software organizations and include all the software systems that use it to protect the cyber security warfare. Even with the integrated and more controlled systems approach, that it destroys everything, and it is a serious, dangerous, potentially dangerous and devastating consequences to be faced. Learning. Internet of Things security strategy. A complete security strategy and standard must be set that would be routinely access the organization cybersecurity posture. That is, a continuous evaluation and determination programs of the security risk must be taken by the government to handle the type of data threats and type of data threats and vital information stored by the hackers with the help of skilled cybersecurity professionals. Aligning with IT and OT teams is vital for cybersecurity as it can prevent the hackers from meddling with the systems that could potentially cause a catastrophe. Because everything is synchronized and every regulation and evaluation must be done continuously by the cybersecurity professionals. How financial organizations can be improved with the help of cybersecurity. The financial US National Institute of Security Standards and Technology divide the financial institutions into four levels of cybersecurity. Because any banking system to start with, it should have a secure proper data, and there must be obviously a firewall mechanism for protection of its data and firewall mechanism. The total four levels of four levels of cybersecurity maturity are partial, informed. At partial level, organization cybersecurity risk management practices are not formalized, and the risk is managed in ad hoc and somehow practical manner. That is, less importance is given to the top priority management, and more information. The priority must be set in the partial level of cybersecurity and informed. This maturity level is characterized by institutions where management has approved risk of management practices, but these practices are not established as policy or across organizations. Like example, if a company does not have its cybersecurity rules and regulations or any policies regarding the organizations, it must use a third-party institution to access the risk-free management. And third section of cybersecurity is repeatable. It is maturity level and organization's risk management practices are formally approved and expressed as policy. That is, an organization risk management practices are formally approved and expressed as policy. That is, without third-party applications, itself creates an established policy and works on to develop the technologies that must be required to protect it from the threats. And adaptive strategy. At this highest maturity level, organizations adapt at cybersecurity practices based on the lessons learned and predictive indicators derived from the previous and current cybersecurity activities. Suppose if a company has been previously attacked by the cybersecurity threat, it learns from it and also plans accordingly. That is adaptive strategy. NCIIPC initiatives. NCIIPC Responsible Vulnerability Disclosure RVDP program, Responsible Vulnerable Disclosure Program. Any individual or any student or any institution or any cybersecurity professional or information can be any report of a cybersecurity threat or a misleading information or website misinformation or disinformation campaign run by any websites or malware threat or any suspicious activity found in online or any offline practices or apps in mobile phones can be informed to the NCIIPC portal. INDISEC 2020, a cybersecurity internal security. It was the Ministry of Electronics and IT organized this INDISEC Cyber and Internal Security, India's most comprehensive expo and summit. In this summit, they have discussed about the most advanced cyber threat and best practices to be done. India Smart Utility Week 2020. India Smart Utility Grid Forum organized an international conference and exhibition on smart energy and water smart cities. BSC and SEBI, Bombay Stock Exchange and SEBI Cybersecurity Conference to know about the cybersecurity data privacy for stakeholders in the capital market. Information Security Media Groups and Cybersecurity Summit. That is, Information Security Media Group Cybersecurity Summit is on critical information infrastructure on identification and also protecting and coordination. Thank you.